Africa? Africa? What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm feeling dizzy.
You're feeling... My goodness. Africa, I thought I asked you not to wash the cars. Look, I wanted to take them to car wash. Why? Africa, why did you put yourself through all this stress?
Papa, I want to look at mother. I want to ask him and salad.
Imagine. Where is that cook? Edna! Edna! Please come. Please, look at this young man. What happened to him? I asked him not to wash the cars and he insisted. Just imagine now.
Oh my goodness.
Please, Edna, I'm rushing off to the office, okay? Just take care of him. Give him whatever he needs. In fact, look, that pharmacy is down the street. Make sure you go there and get drugs for him. Okay? I'll see you when I come back.
Okay, let me open the gate for you. What would you like to eat? What happened to you?
I first time when they asked me to see me. Wow. You pen and paper, my just calm down.
Can you be serious for once? Tell me what you want to eat and I'll go and make it for you.
I'm not serious. Besides, I can't tell you, say, no, give me what I want. So I bring paper and pen, now I write them down.
Should I bring a long note or short note?
I bring hardback.
Hardback. I'm coming. I'll bring hardback 4. So that you feel here for the things you want to eat at once. I'm bringing them now. So work with possible. That of that is carry.
Bible says that whatever you sow, you shall reap. Bible says.
Pares Keribo Centerabarai Zorabai. Where your toilet?
I want you to find.
Snake, enter here.
Snake.
Don't joke, I'm a man of God. Snake, enter here. Where your toilet? There.
Yes.
You know, say snake and...
Why they fight toilet?
Snake and toilet are 5 and 6. The spirit is telling me that the snake is in your toilet. That side. Give me that cutlass. Be careful, be careful. Be careful. Be careful, be careful.
Wait there.
Mark, I intend traveling by weekend to conclude plans about my marriage. You know, pay the bride price, the marriage rights, in fact, everything that is required of me to be paid at the least. Then officially bring my wife over. That's nice.
So like play now. My guy don't come off for bachelor soon.
You can say that again, bro. Thank you. Well, don't congratulate me yet. You know, I have not seen the lady in question. I mean, I've not seen my bride. Okay, I've not set my eyes on her before. But according to my mother, she said the lady is beautiful. I mean, with good home training. In fact, she's the best any man, best according to her, any man could ever wish for. So I am only acting based on my mother's judgment.
And I trust mother's judgment. She will make the right choice of your wife for you.
Well, I hope and pray so because, okay, let's just leave it at that. Anyway, you're going to see her when we return. You know, looking at my past and all of my failed relationships, I wouldn't wish for anything more than settling for whoever my mother says is best for me. You know, as long as she's beautiful. That's very, very, very important because, come on, bro, I can't imagine going for a function with one ugly looking, one village looking girl. Come on, I can't. She has to be very, very beautiful. That's number one. That's my priority.
I understand. And I pray she meet up to your expectations. You know, I've really been hoping, praying that you settle down. You're a nice guy. So you deserve everything good life can offer.
Okay, now am I supposed to say amen to that?
Yeah, it's a very big amen.
Oh my God. Alright, amen. Thank you. Thank you. Coming from, that's like a prayer coming from a Rasta man with a touch of Father Michael. It's okay. Well, I also pray and wish you well, you know, being your friend. You're a very good friend that prays that everything good comes to you. So I would give a date to my prayer that by February 14th, you should find a woman that will sweep you up your feet. Yes, you should settle down.
February 14th, you mean 2 years to come back?
What? Yeah, of course. I will do you. I will be 30 in 2 years.
I'm talking about 3 months from now, young man.
No. I will clock 30 in 2 years to come. So I still have enough time to enjoy myself. You know all these women moving around me. Yeah. Let me enjoy once and for all.
You see why I have to keep away from you once I get married? Have you seen it? No, you've seen it. Because I can't condone this kind of attitude. Well, let me ask them to get you something.
Okay, wait there. I never give it.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this way?
But I flushed the toilet. Sorry, I killed the snake properly.
Wait, though. Don't tell me you want my personal executive mess things up there.
Brother, no verse. It be hook you. So I just go offload. Thank you very much. Obele.
You know, say I fit kill you now.
Na toilet I
Don't
go.
say magic they do. You carry knife, but I fit kill you.
No verse. Na toilet I go. No be say I do anything. No verse.
So you don't go finish.
Yes.
Before Shanwen.
Unfortunately.
I they go now.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
But for allowing a man of God to offload, I want to.
Okay, go! You know, say, if you pray for me now, with this your God now, we'll do it like this. If you pray for me now, I go there worse than this. They go.
They enjoy you. Only you they drink 2 mineral.
You don't see I'm now where life keep you.
Rice and stew.
Okay, they go now.
My brother,
I'm wasting my time.
I dey fight you. Calm down now. I think only one. I never chop today. No verse.
Wait. You shit for my executive toilet. You don't flush and wear. You still won't collect one.
Help the needy now. In giving you receive. Make I just collect one.
So say I'm not better person. No wala now.
Michael.
Take one there. Take this one and take carry this thing. Make it where you use. Pull them down.
Very. In fact, do you know what? My God will bless you. My God.
Hey, don't care. They go.
My God will lift you. My God will adore you.
They go. Your God don't adore me. They go.
I want to pray for you. You need them.
Pray for who?
You just need them now. You listen.
You never teach you suppose don't change that your church where you go. Say as you dey like beggar.
Okay.
Don't they give offering for your church? You don't fit just use 100 or 200,000 take by time.
Forget the messenger and listen to the message.
Okay, then go. I don't want minister your ministry.
Lord.
Edna! Edna! Sir! Please come. Thank you so much for the meal, yes.
You didn't even finish the last one. Are you done with water?
Yes, I am. Drop the plate, I want to see you.
You didn't enjoy the food?
Of course I did. And the food was fantastic. I'll be traveling to the village by weekend. I am going to bring my bride over, my wife.
Ah! So you're getting married?
Yes, I'm getting married.
Oh my God, wow. Hey, God is good. Oh, wow.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
Oh, wow. This is great news. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see the apple of your eyes. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Don't worry, you'll see her very soon.
It's very good. In that case, my work here is almost done. Once she comes back, I'm on my way out.
Why? I mean, says who? I don't understand.
Is it not the way it is done? You're getting married. Once she enters here, she'll be the one to make your food. I thought that is where people do it.
No. Edna, look, it might be the way they do it out there, okay, but certainly not in my house. I mean, what if she's a bad cook?
She won't be a bad cook.
Oh, please. Edna, I have grown fond of your personality and your food. Okay, so if my wife must cook for me, she must learn from you.
Sir, I'm honored. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
You're welcome. And enough of this, your sa thing. I mean, I've told you before. I'm tired of it already.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir Fred. Don't worry. I'll learn how to say it well.
Alright. Better. Okay, you can...
So let me do the dishes. Oh?
No problem.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much. Shower.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine, as you can see. I feel like a bouncing baby boy.
You're really bouncing like a baby boy.
Hey.
So, what can I do for you?
I want to collect my night food.
Night food?
Yes, sir.
How? Akaka, you should be ashamed of yourself. Pity for your body. Ha!
Oh.
Do you remember the kind of food I gave you? The quantity? Large chunk. With the drinks. Yet you're coming again to ask for food. Before you go, this stomach.
I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing that you're telling me. I think as if you don't know I'm sharing the food with somebody else. I will go and tell Oga that I don't want to give me my food.
Why are you shouting? Who are you shouting with? I'm just telling you about the dangers of eating late. You're raising your voice.
Keep it for yourself. I am good. I beg if the food don't do, you bring them. I go come collect them.
Look at this boy. Very soon, this boy won't be able to walk again. Look at the way he's walking like a masculine. Come on. Sharam. This stomach will burst.
Salary.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I increased the salary for you a bit. Look, I'm sorry it's taken this long, okay, to get a new Gateman. But not to worry. Okay, before the end of this month, I will definitely get someone who will replace you. Replace you and James, so that you can mind your houseboy duties. Okay? No, sir,
you're not supposed to be bothering now. I can do the job while you do the payment. And I see when to.
Look, it is not as in when due, okay? It is as in when due.
As in when due.
Say as in when due. You don't kill me laughing this out. But no, okay, I am certainly getting someone who will replace you. Someone who will replace your colleague, the one that left. I need you to mind your job as houseboy while he minds the gates for me. Alright?
I'm not complaining.
Hey, enough. Enough for the gate, okay? Take it or leave it.
Why is this man insisting on getting a new Gateman? What kind of wahala is this? And this is definitely going to reduce this sweet big money I'm earning. How do I stop this?
They look for A1 clothes as well.
Wow, like this.
Yes.
Now you should go like this.
Yeah.
By your right. Look at this. That's it. Yeah. Be like this.
Edna, I need you to prepare something sumptuous. I mean, something very, very delicious that my bride will eat as soon as we return.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. Don't be angry. This trip you're making, are you returning on Saturday or on Sunday? Do you never me plan what to cook?
Edna, for heaven's sake, I'm not supposed to return on Saturday. The wedding is on Saturday. So I'm coming back on Sunday. I mean, a day after the wedding.
Okay. Sorry.
Here. Have this. I mean, this should be more than enough. Okay, I needed to use this to prepare something very, very delicious. I mean, a mouth-watering meal that my bride will enjoy as soon as we return. It's very important.
For her alone?
And of course, it's not for her alone. It's for everybody. I mean, we're all celebrating. Okay? You make something that will be enough for everybody in the house. Alright? Especially that Africa of a boy. You know, it's too much.
You just made a point. You don't think it's about time we checkmated what that Africa puts into his mouth? For Christ's sake, that boy is already obese. It's good we curtail what he eats, especially sugar. Or diabetes. Because the way he's bloating up and getting round, now you become sick.
No, he's just a boy, okay? I mean, he's just a little boy.
You know how old he is?
He is just a boy, for crying out loud. So give him the benefit of the doubt. I mean, before he gets of age, all those fat, everything will just disappear.
Okay, sir.
Okay? I concur to what you said. I mean, you are right. We have to ration his food. I mean, you have to ration his food, but not starving him completely.
Oh! Sir, this is the best thing you have said now. Oh! Thank you, sir. Do you know I support that rationing of food for him, sir? By starving him before you know that boy will begin to steal. You know his eyes are sharp. Before you know it, they will get tired, kill the boy.
Edna, you're never going to stop calling me sir, are you?
Sorry, sir.
You are still calling me sir.
Oh.
Listen, Edna, you are like my auntie. Okay, and considering your age, I am not comfortable with this sir thing. I mean, come off it already.
Sorry,
please.
Sir.
Can you stop? Thank you. Please. I rather prefer you call me Fred.
Oh, sorry, sir. No, already. Fred, I promise I'll make something nice. She will love it.
I trust you. Alright, you take care of yourself.
Yes, I'm okay.
So, what are you doing there?
I was doing
You what?
this.
This should be the first and last you try that rubbish. What are you doing at night? You want to sleep on duty? Don't try this next time. You hear me? I can go open the gate. I'm going out.
What? How far now?
I will meet again.
I'll be
Next
seeing
year.
you again.
How far now?
Let me ask you how far, buddy. I mean, it's not a
What did they do? What did you do?
Might tell you true. Not say my guy now. I know you said I work for church. I said I get one church.
Yes, I even said I even service you.
I wash. The thing be say out of hunger. God not call me, but I call myself. So the thing no come work. I don't leave am. Na normal job now I want.
So you don't succeed.
I resemble who succeed. I'm ready to work as for any job.
The thing be say I get job for you.
The job now. That's what they give job. Come. Are you serious?
What did I do? I get job for you, now my mom. Guy, Morgan won't get money.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Hey, the Lord is my shepherd. I'm ready.
This be say, you get one guy where they stay here before you do that man. My name no cool, but since we still from Morgan, so all the time Morgan, man manage the boat. After all, money but they come out with double money.
No, now you cannot be managing the boat. You see people where they call Okoli. I'm robbers. They can thief well.
Happy.
Okoli. All the Okoli is what I know are thieves.
Hey.
I know. Yeah, but you know what tell you, let's say you're going to do Gateman, they do house boy. That is blocking someone's success now. Let me do the Gateman. Should I tell you my story? No job, street rough. Look at they do the Gateman, I beg.
No, Asha, your story touched me. I go subless the job give you.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
Wow.
My man.
That's what I don't understand. I'm not going to give you the job. Like, I go subless of. I don't say no go school. I dey try talk say, if they pay your salary, I'm going to take my own share from it. In fact, I'm going to collect your money on your behalf, then pay you off.
So if you collect money on my behalf, you go to do the work too on my behalf. I mean, I'm going to work, you go to collect the money.
Like, you know this serious. You go leave this compound now.
How you go to, how I go to work? You go to collect salary? No, sir.
But see, they try to help you.
No, sir. No,
go leave.
No, this. No, this.
Africa!
Oh, I don't think. When they shout my name like this now.
My mother?
I'm not check now. I don't know this one.
Africa!
Okay.
So, if my God come around.
Africa!
I don't come! Make sure it's there.
So you now allow strangers into this house?
Oh. See, sometimes you act as if you are my godmother or aunt or niece. Don't for me, Galadima. You already know that you're a common servant in this house.
Don't you dare insult me. I'll slap your face. You must not go to talk it. Are you mad? Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? How's it again, Jack?
Go. Allow me. For no.
Look at this fool, oh. Look at this idiot. You brought a stranger into a house you don't even own. Not even a proper servant there. And I'm cautioning you. You're opening your mouth to insult me. Don't you know that I'm old enough to be your mother?
No, it was a grandma. But that was for enter. There you go. You stress my life.
I give you 5 minutes. Go and send that stranger away. Else I will come and send him away myself.
You cannot. If you do that, sack you.
Nene.
See, I've been respecting you in this house. But since you don't deserve my respect, I don't want to respect yourself. Okay, I'm in for anything. If you fuck up, I'll give you.
I'll beat you. I'll slap you. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. I'm not your mate. Don't insult me. I'll just lie you here and I'm not you was so new. You know what I mean?
I'm walking. See, I was doing something important before you interrupted. Let me go and finish my business.
So you're part of men. Business. You're discussing business.
I'm going for a business.
Get away! Nah. You okay?
I was discussing something serious before you interrupted.
Business partner. Guys, send the fool away. Why is this boy disrespecting me in this house? Hey! I know what to do. What can I do? Say it again, I said what I'm idiot. That idiot in me. Face me now.
After that, your madam, now they shout your name.
No, be that cook or no be even say that, madam.
When I get cook.
Nah.
No wonder you add weight well. When I get cook.
What you got to be saying? You go stay away from our guy to come.
Yeah. No problem, man. Abi?
You just even for this.
Oh boy. So how this area? What they get like here steady?
Go na. Ha. They get like steady. If they fuck up, then they. If we are finish and I don't get steady, I go buy another food. Inverter day. Yes, ma'am. We are 3.
Like how many times on the chopped for here a day?
On a normal, they chop 3 times. But me, based on who I be, I chop 12 times a day.
You dey chop 12 times a day?
Yes, ma'am.
You dey your body?
Have you chop 3 in the morning, chop 3 in the afternoon, chop 6 in the night, chop 3 in the night, then chop 3 midnight.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, please, there is this friend of mine that I want you to help.
You want me to help?
Yes, sir, like by giving him the Gateman job.
Oh. You found someone already?
Yes, sir, he's my friend, sir.
That's beautiful. So when is this your so-called friend coming so I can assess him?
If not for assessing, I trust this guy. Even there, yes, sir.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Zubby! My guy, come back home. Please don't come back.
Good day, sir.
Good day. You are?
Dubem, sir.
Dubem. Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes, sir, I can.
Sure?
I can, sir.
I don't tolerate sleeping on duty.
I don't sleep on duty, sir. Just don't pay me for the first 1 month. Let me prove what I can do.
Alright, no problem. Tomorrow morning I'll get some documents to sign.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I don't break my hand. Stop this now!
I bought your clothes, sir.
Thank you so much. Please.
Sir, I saw this white thing in this room.
My goodness.
You know who has it?
Oh my goodness! This must be Jessica's underwear.
Oh, you even know the owner?
My goodness! Thank you so much, Edna. Thank you. You found this in my room?
Where else? In your room. Down there.
I don't know what would have happened to my wife to be seized this. Ah, my goodness. Edna, thank you. Thank you so much. I am indeed grateful.
One more thing. Is there anywhere something like this is hidden or locking anywhere so that we can sort it out and remove them?
I can't say for sure. Jessica was the only girl I had any relationship with. And although she belongs to my past now. And Jessica is a very careless person. So please, I will need you to scan everywhere. Okay, scan all the rooms, scan the sitting room to make sure that something like this don't repeat itself again.
No problem. I will do that. I will search everywhere to destroy everything that has to do with your past.
Thank you.
Marriage is a new beginning, so that you begin well. So
thank you so much, Edna.
I should destroy this?
Yes, please, destroy it.
No problem.
Destroy it, please.
I'll do that.
And Edna, thank you. Thank you for always having my back.
You're my boss. I will always have your back, sir.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, let me go destroy this one.
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I slept well. Only say mosquito nearly finished me for night.
Mosquitoes? From where? Oh, there are no mosquitoes in this estate, okay? We fumigate this estate regularly, so there are no mosquitoes. I wonder where that mosquito you're talking about is coming from.
Jim, you know, sleep here last night too.
Why?
And I never applied, so I ordered him to leave.
You ordered him to leave?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought I told you he's employed already, so why don't you allow him to sleep over?
No problem, sir. Myself, I be one go there yesterday because I know say I go arrange myself. Come here early morning, so no problem.
All right, no problem. All right. Yeah.
Wait, now the time for us. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
No problem. 2 liters trying to make this evening.
And start making of me. I'm 50.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for the job where you give me, sir. I promise to deliver. I will work wholeheartedly. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. When next you're coming to my sitting room, make sure you dress properly. Okay, not to even worry. I will make sure I have I get the tailor to get you your uniform.
You go sew uniform for me?
Yes.
Yes, Dad.
I mean, you have to dress properly if you want to work for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Because now, because my cabinet. I mean, my. Let me feel it. Return for signing. Please keep some pen.
I still don't get it why you have to be the one to sign for him.
Sir, he can neither read nor write.
What?
Yes, he had his growing up mainly in the village, so you don't need to blame him.
For a young man like that, I mean, that is strange. Are you sure he can do the job?
Yes, so he's a vigilante in my village, and I've had good records about him, so I'm sure he can do the job.
Well, alright, no problem. But, okay, listen. I'm only employing that young man because you are standing in for him.
Thank you.
Are you sure he can do the job?
He can do it very well. Yes, sir.
Alright, fine. I'll be traveling to the village immediately. Okay, so let him start. In fact, let him start right away. Okay, I want to see him at the gate as I'm leaving.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Africa, thank you very much for making the search of the Gateman easy for me. Okay?
I don't need to mention. Helping people is in my blood, is in my nature, is in my genes.
Alright. Go back to your duty post, okay? Let me see you cook. Okay?
Alright.
Alpha now. Alpha.
You go. See, you're successfully hired. In fact, you are officially hired.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm officially hired. Sorry.
Don't put down the template so I don't choke.
Sorry, I was excited. Sorry.
When they get your pass through, he will give you job. See, may I tell you, never take this thing as a direct employment. Sure you understand that me bring you come. And you know say that signing when I sign inside. Once the money land, I go collect the money to give you your own.
No problem. Only first.
Another thing, this instruction I won't give is very important.
Yeah.
Never collect any gift or any kind from okay. Even if you don't mistakenly collect it, show me so that I can decide if you have it or not. Sure you understand?
No problem. Any other thing?
That thing we do is that you vex me. You won't go collect paper sign where you know say I did it.
No verse, eh? Hi. So I'm officially hired.
Don't worry, just go your duty post. Me, you know say I don't be Gateman again. But they did so. Very soon they go still bring your costume.
I'm following you the job 12 times a day.
Like you know you say only me get that opportunity.
The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu bakari agar. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu kwa mwambia. Spending chop money. Onye jego dele. Ibu bakari agar. Akuna taka siri nomba. Celebrity gets mad. Oke mwani sio. Ibu bakari agar. Ohama dikendi boje. Celebrity gets mad. Duski lala. Ibu bakari agar. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego dele. Ibu bakari agar.
That little boy insults me at will. He seldom stick my command. He's always saying I do not pay his salary and I do not go own this house with you.
And you're just telling me this now?
Sir, it's just pissing me off. I've been keeping it away from you because I do not want to ruin the relationship you have with him. I do not want anything to come between that.
Edna, I don't have any relationship with Africa rather than the working relationship we have. Nothing more, nothing less. He works for me.
Okay, sir.
I mean, why would Africa insult you? Isn't that aware that you're old enough to be his mother?
I don't know. That boy has run jam.
Edna, I will tolerate every other thing from Africa. Is he insulting you? I will never tolerate it from him. I will handle this as soon as I come back.
No problem. Careful, sir.
You take care of the house. Okay?
Thank you very much. You know how village people are. Be careful. Oh, careful.
Daddy, yo. Moisa.
Why are you calling me daddy? Do I look like father? Hey, please, call me Oga instead. Okay?
You know, don't be like that. You just say, Oga, anybody where they feed anybody for this harsh economy. And the person daddy be that now. But even though they say for the fear and respect what I get for our Lord Jesus Christ, I for they call you Jesus.
Please, enough of this your comedy. Enough. Look, I'm traveling. Okay, I'm traveling to the village. Make sure you take care of the house. Okay. I'll see you when I return.
Okay, I will be here now. No worry. I'm in charge. Adios.
That's your food. This kind of food that I don't chop this kind of food for you. And guys, I feel very stubborn. I had an agreement with your guys to ration your food. That portion you saw there, that is your new food. So that to help you shape this excess fat. No fat! I don't like that kind of thing. You have heart attack. People fat like this will easily have heart attack. What is it?
I don't like that kind of thing.
Who cares about what you like and what you don't like? Whether you like it or not. That is your new portion of food. And that is what you continue to eat. If you like, eat it. If you don't like it, be hungry. It's even better you're hungry so that you shake this. Look at your breast.
Now fat. Look at your own belly. How they even blame you now? I got the blame. Why God carry you for this house? Well, you don't say anytime when you get hungry. If you provide food, I go out and go buy food. Go carry.
See this insult.
Seriously.
Stop it. Once Oga comes back, we'll address this insult. Because I will not know how to treat likes like you.
I will give you the new Oga Gateman food.
Which Gateman?
So you don't know there's a new Gateman in the house.
I am giving you this food. That's once. Next time, I won't. He will come inside and take his food. Let me go do something reasonable than wasting this my time. Carry it.
No wash it.
See!
Let's take lesson on this woman. Take lesson.
I should take lesson. From who? From our uncle. From you don't fall right.
That cook is a misbehave. Can you imagine? Not taking it. See now. She's watching you cook for me. And for me to make up to the standard that I eat, I must cut your own joiner.
Why you go cut my food now? If anyone is supposed to have more food here, it's me because I'm bigger than you.
I don't understand. So who bring this work come? Who bring this job come? See, if you cannot obey yourself, this gate you can leave. That's how you drive the door.
Sorry, no verse. No verse. But this is unfair now. You're cutting my food and it's still intimidating me. It's unfair.
Not me, they pay you. If I may tell you, for this house, if anything comes to you, you must pass through me. I will tell you, even if na water, you go, even if na food, or even if na money, you go pass through me. Only. But if person wants you to like bullet, you must not pass through me. If you go direct, go to the too much. See a food carrier. See a spoon on top. I don't look at.
No worry. Sorry if I'm being ungrateful. No problem. Your boy is loyal. They bring my food. They bring my food. You cut. They bring my salary. You cut. Anything you cut, no problem.
Like say no dey hungry.
I will chop later. Thanks, my mom.
Remember what I tell you. Anything will go get to you, supposed pass through me. You'll need again. Put to the pudding. I not like fat, but you go pass through me. Enjoy.
Madam.
Take this money, go down the road and buy me bread and maybe pap. Oh, quickly,
Bread
quickly, don't waste time. Also.
Okay. Yeah, good. I'm going to no, where you go?
Madam say make I go buy her something.
Which kind, madam? Oga, I don't get madam for this house. Only Oga you get, which is
The owner of the house.
Eh? Who employ you for this house?
Now the owner of the house now.
Okay, the owner of the house employ you. Come on your side, this one much.
No verse, now you. I don't forget. Now you employ me, now you.
Eh?
Now you know.
That simply means no one should send you on an errand again except my own.
So may I return the money?
Go return them. No, go anywhere. Which kind of thing down? No time.
Madam. Chief Protocol Officer no approve your message. He say make I no go.
Chief Protocol Officer, that thing.
No be CSO be that. He say make I no go. Say you no get such right.
I am so disappointed at you. I hope you realize your foolishness very soon. I'm working as a chief protocol officer. Later you carry that fat stomach and come and ask me for food. You did what for? Idiot.
Ha! You're gonna not use me settle.
Go sit down, no let anybody send you an errand in this house. You sure they hear me?
I cannot go, Mr.
You go.
Thank you very much.
Where do you think you're going, you disrespectful thing? You know what to stop, and I'll go on chat. Where are you going?
I won't go collect food now. Sure, you say no food there, so I won't come back by myself.
The one you cooked. Manager, look at you, how you're coming with full confidence to open the kitchen and manage. When I say there is no food for a disrespectful idiot like you, a fool. And I'll go on chat. Ever again in this house, you will not eat.
I don't even understand you, chef. Sure, as you say, don't get pride to serve me. I go take my food by myself now.
You don't eat any food I prepared until you learn some respect. That's wrong when you go and train yourself.
That's easy for man. I should have said, now what you don't prepare.
I prepared it.
Which even that potty where they cook.
Potty? And you came for it?
I
with full energy, with that penny. Don't wash. Don't wash.
Spend money, tickets, where you go,
Are you sure?
Yes, I need to rest.
Alright, I understand, okay. I mean, after all we've been through today. So, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry about the stress.
Okay, fine.
Here, meet my friend, my dear friend, my auntie and my wonderful cook. I added wonderful because indeed she's wonderful. Okay, and Edna, yeah, it's my beloved wife. I mean, the woman that drives me crazy.
Wow! She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. Welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am? Oh, please. Don't call me ma'am, okay? You can call me Mary Ann. My name is Mary Ann. Oh, welcome, Mary Ann, ma'am.
She's the other part. See, I keep telling you. Okay, this you're addressing me as sir, and now you're addressing me as ma'am. Come on. It's too archaic and awkward. Okay, considering the age gap. Please.
You are my boss for life, and
you brought another boss woman. I'm loyal forever, ma'am. And sir.
Alright,
man and boss woman.
please, stop making us laugh. Abba, take it inside.
Oh, welcome, ma'am.